Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again to my front place. It is a pleasure to bring you back again in the front garden, guys. Everything is so luscious right now because it was pouring last night, and yes, I couldn't wait to come here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at those leaves here. And even look at those cutting I make. Oh my God, they're even flowering. I need to come back and cutting those deadhead this plants right here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how beautiful things are in this garden, friends. I am using my two hand, guys. I want to make sure I get every glimpse in this foot yard. I don't know, I feel myself today. I wake up early and I was just pick this thing up on the ground. It's good now. And yeah, I love the way stuff are looking here. I love this. Guys, sorry for the noise because I live close to a little small airport. That's the reason you guys heard that plane. Yes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.